The peacock, an icon of beauty and majesty, has fascinated humanity for thousands of years.
Its iridescent feathers glow with vibrant colors due to microscopic crystal structures. The famous tail, called the train, carries up to 200 dazzling eye-shaped patterns. Peacocks belong to the species Pavo cristatus, native to the forests of India and Sri Lanka. Females, called peahens, lack bright colors but choose mates based on the beauty of the male's display. Courtship involves rattling feathers, rhythmic steps, and showing off the vibrant train. Peahens carefully evaluate each male, selecting the strongest and most ornamented partner. Peachicks hatch fully feathered and can walk within hours of birth. Their survival depends on camouflage and staying close to the mother.
They feed on insects, seeds, and small creatures, learning vital skills from their mother.
Young males begin developing their famous tail at age 1.
By age 2, the train becomes larger, though still not fully developed.
A male reaches full majestic splendor by age 3. In the wild, peacocks thrive in monsoon forests, grasslands, and farmlands. They are omnivores, eating plants, insects, small reptiles, and even small snakes. They prefer staying close to water sources and open areas for display. Peacocks have loud calls, used to warn the group of predators.
Despite their size, they run fast and escape threats efficiently.
They adapt well to human landscapes, often seen near farms and villages.
Rainfall often triggers displays, nature's rhythm guiding their behavior.
Daily grooming keeps their feathers clean and vibrant.